Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV Bluetooth phone contacts for faster pairing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your electric vehicle, or EV, is parked and turned on. Access your vehicle's infotainment system. Navigate to the Bluetooth settings menu. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your EV. Now, pick up your smartphone. Open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Search for available devices on your phone. Look for your vehicle's name in the list of devices. Select your vehicle from the list to initiate pairing. Once connected, navigate to the contacts or phone settings in the vehicle's system. Find the option to import contacts or sync phonebook. Select this option to start the process. Wait for your contacts to sync, which may take a few moments. After syncing, confirm that your contacts are now available in the EV system. To back up contacts, consider using a cloud service if available. Depending on your phone model, you can choose to back up contacts via Google Drive or iCloud. Follow the necessary prompts on your phone to complete the backup process. Once backed up, you can easily restore contacts if needed. For faster future pairings, ensure that Bluetooth is always enabled on your phone. If you ever change devices, repeat the pairing and syncing process. This will ensure your contacts remain accessible in your EV. Now, you're all set to enjoy hands-free calls and easy access to your contacts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.